Hi, and welcome to another GCSE PE in 3, where I try and teach one mini topic in 3 minutes. So, we're going to look at the classification of bones today. There are 4 different types of bone. Okay, the first we'll look at is long bones. Now, long bones make up our arms and our legs. They're our limbs. They act as levers, and the muscles attached to the long bones to allow movement at our joints. For example, our radius and our ulna make up the lower arm. They're long bones. Okay. Also, long bones produce red and white blood cells, and red blood cells, we know, contain hemoglobin that delivers oxygen. White blood cells help fight infection. So that's how they help performance. They help you move, and they help deliver oxygen, and they help fight infection. Short bones is number 2. Short bones are our load bearing. They support our weight. Okay, so we have our carpals in our wrist and we have our tarsals in our foot. Now, our carpals are really important in gymnastics because what they allow is handstands, cartwheels, front flips, and they support our weight when we're on our hands. Now, the ones in our feet, they help also with things like balance, landing when you're running, and load bearing in standing or running or jumping and landing situations. Okay. Now, the third one are flat bones. Now, these have a flat kind of profile and they protect. So, for example, my cranium protects my brain. It's like a shield around it. My ribs, they protect the lungs and the heart area, and they stop me from getting injured, particularly in contact sports such as rugby and football, where I may get hit in the chest or in the head, and without those bones, one of those organs could get damaged, and therefore I'm going to have to leave the field of play with an injury. And then the last one are irregular bones. Now, the irregular bones are fewer in the body, but the vertebrae make up most of them. Now, the vertebrae, they have a few jobs. They protect our spinal column, which runs down the middle, linking our brain to all the parts of our body with the nervous system. But they also attach muscle attachments so we can create movement in our upper body. Our sacrum, which joins into our ilium, our pelvis area, that also has a ligament and muscle attachment to allow stability and movement. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video. There'll be another one coming up the skeletal system tomorrow.